Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Best Art and Fun, and today I'm doing another drawing video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And let's get on with today's video. Right guys, today's video I have done Goku vs Naruto, which is from a Japanese cartoon series, which is one of the most popular ones out there. Other ones as well, but these two, like, for me, is like the most favourite out of the popular ones. You know what I'm saying about this? And this piece did take me 2 weeks to do, and 2 weeks of editing. So yes, that's why I put a live stream out. If you see my live stream from Monday, or for those Sunday, Tuesday kind of video, or whenever you watch the live stream. If you want to watch the live stream, I will leave the link in the description. You can check my live stream out. I was drawing people's characters in my art style, so I hope you enjoyed that live stream. So, yes. And guys, I do have a question for you. Who's your favourite anime character and why? My favourite anime character is like Vegeta, Naruto, Eddie, Metal Alchemist. But there's more animes out there I liked as well and disliked, so I don't like really putting them in like in a list, because at the end of the day they have their own personality, and and like different shows have different things, so it's really difficult to put in like characters. Anyway, so it's like the same with rappers really. All rappers have their own style, so something like hip hop, trap, acid, grime. If you don't know what grime is, just jump. So yes, that's basically what I'm saying about art, about anime kind of thing. And I do enjoy Dragon Ball Z. I've watched it as a kid, and actually rewatched it like 3 days ago. I rewatched it and actually enjoyed it. I do need to catch up with Dragon Ball Super and beyond, because I've been doing videos after videos after videos. So I've been hard working and stuff, personal life as well. So I need to catch up with that. Yeah, and with Naruto and Boruto, it's kind of like a bit like, let's just say if you watch, let's say you watch something like really good, but the schedule's like not as good, but it's still good in a way. But I need to catch up on Naruto as well. So, because Naruto is no longer in it, no longer the main character. It's like a side character now, in a way. But I finished with it like when like Gohan and Goku, because Goku was still a character in Dragon Ball Z. He was still a main character. But then again, that's my opinion anyway. What do you think of it anyway? So make sure to comment down who's your favourite character is. And I will art your comments, because I am a good person and I like to art people's comments, because it shows that I am talking to you, because I am not talking to the computer. That would be a bit stupid if I just talk to the computer and just talk to the computer, basically. Yeah, that's going to be weird. Well, I'll probably do that in a couple of years' time anyway if I talk to the computer, because the bit where it's going to exist. Anyway, I'm blabbering on for some reason anyway. I just talk rubbish all this video away. And the equipment I use are Promarkers, Winston and Newton. They are running out, so I might be going back to crayons a bit until I get paid and stuff. Because I really like using Promarkers. It makes your drawing look really smooth. But I never use Copic markers, so I can't compare them. I did do a poll on Instagram as well, which I say which one, Copic markers or Promarkers. People voted Copic markers. But what I've seen on YouTube is that people saying on YouTube that Promarkers are a lot more better than Copic markers, because Promarkers make drawing look more smoother, but the Copic markers will leave like little bit white grainy bits in the drawing. If you don't know what I'm on about, you can search it on YouTube yourself. Yeah. And if you guys want to, you can go and check my live stream I did on Monday where I draw people's own characters into my own style, and you can watch it. I only did it about an hour because nobody was watching it, and I felt a bit that was not the point of that. But at the end of the day, I think if I grow more on my YouTube channel, I think more people will come to my live stream. And then again, because I didn't put any tags in, and that's really a bad idea. Don't put any tags in, Bethany, because you're not gonna get no views. Oh yeah. But then again, I hope you enjoy the live stream. I'll leave a link in the description for that bit as well. Also, what kind of music I am using in the video, you can see down in the description what kind of music I used for like my voiceover or something and stuff. Yeah, and for this method, I've used a circle and some lines to use. And for my techniques of what kind of techniques I use for colouring in, I just do straight lines. But if I'm using my crayons, I normally do circles, because I think if you do circles, it gets more detail out of it than just scribbling. It look like you can't control your colouring and stuff. It's like, colouring, woohoo! But no, I'm not gonna do that. Forget about that. So yes, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss my epic content. Of course, yeah. Make sure to share my video with your friends and stuff. It helped me grow and stuff. And I've got latest thing coming on my Instagram, where you can message me on my Instagram and tell me what's your top 10, 5, 3 best your favorite anime character is. You can comment down below as well. I will shout it out on Instagram. My Instagram is in the description of the link in there. So yes, I want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys next week in my next video, which is Minato and Naruto, well, father and son. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you guys next week. Not next week, I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy your day.